how to fix TD Bank online banking access block. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply go through your TD Bank, and then you can tap on login and simply try to log into your account, right? So when you try to log into your account, what you're going to do is simply click on the option forgot your ID, right? So when you try to log into your account, simply tap on forgot ID, and then from there you can complete the verification steps and see if that helped you guys or not. So if it's still not helping, then what you can do, the next thing is ensure that your social security number, your debit card number, and the PIN are entirely like accurate, right? So make sure to recheck it and do everything in order to make sure that. Then after doing that, if it is still not working and it's blocked due to security locks, then what you should do is simply call the customer service to have a representative unlock your profile. So you can actually get the number online, so simply search for it. You'll be able to simply call the customer service, and like that you'll be able to fix it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.